Good morning, students.
Good morning, ma'am.
So today we will discuss about the information technology. So first we will start from what is networking and what is software. So first we will start what is networking. What is networking? Networking means the connection between one system to another system is known as networking. So networking means the connection between one system to another system is known as networking. Networking is divided into three types. One is your LAN, another is your MAN, and last one is WAN. Networking is divided into three types: LAN, MAN, WAN. LAN means your local area networking, MAN means metropolitan area networking, and WAN means wide area networking. So what is the function of LAN, MAN, WAN? What is the function of LAN, Preeti? Yes, LAN means the connection within a building. And what is the function of MAN? To connect from one city to another city. And what is the function of WAN? To connect all over the world. It means your W3 means world, wide web. World, wide web. Then what is software? What is software? Software. What is software and hardware? Software means the internal part of a computer is known as software and the external part of a computer is known as hardware. So what are the examples of software? Means the internal part of a computer, and hardware means the external part of a computer. So what are the examples of software and hardware? The examples of software is your operating system. Means your operating system. And what are the examples of hardware? Like your keyboard, mouse, etc. Keyboard, mouse, etc. Now clear? Clear? So now we will discuss what is operating system. Satya, you tell me what is operating system?
The system that helps to start the computer.
Yes, again?
The system that helps to start the computer.
Starts the computer. Okay, sit down. Operating system is a system which activates the computer. What is operating system? Operating system is a system which activates the computer. It keeps the relationship between user and computer, and it also activates all the hardware and software parts of the computer. Operating system is divided into three types. One is your single user operating system. Single user operating system. Another is your multi-user operating system, and third one is your networking. Third one is your networking. So we have already discussed about the networking. What are the types of networking? Yes or no? So we will discuss what is single user operating system and what is multi-user operating system. Kunal, what is the basic difference between single user operating system and multi-user operating system? Okay, single user operating system means, Kunal sit down. Single user operating system means only one user can work a machine. It means your example is DOS, disk operating system. And another is your multi-users operating system. It means more than one users can work a machine at a time. Example is your Unix, Linux, etc. Unix, Linux, etc. Now clear about the hardware, software, your operating system and the networking. Yes or no? So now we will discuss about Excel. About Excel. So what is Excel? Excel is used for calculating purpose. Excel is used for calculating purpose, and the extension name of Excel is .xls. What is the extension name of Excel? .xls. This is the extension name of Excel. Then what are the parts of Excel? What are the parts of Excel? Number 1, title bar. Number 2, menu bar. Number 3, toolbars. Number 4, formula bar. Number 5, rows. Number 6, columns. Number 7, cell. Number 8, cell address. Number 9, worksheet. Number 9, worksheet. So title bar, what is title bar? Title bar means your MS Excel. And what is menu bar? Menu bar means your file, insert, home. These are the menu bar. What is toolbar? Toolbar is divided into two types. One is your standard toolbar and another is your format toolbar. Then what is formula bar? Formula bar means in the formula, if you want to calculate any formula, so at that time you will write the formula in the formula bar area. Then what is rows? Rows means your 1, 2, 3, 4 in Excel. There are 65,536 rows in Excel. Then what is column? Column means your A, B, C, D, etc. And there are 256 columns in Excel. So how many rows and columns are available in Excel? Rows means your 65,536 and your column means 256. Then what is cell? Now we will discuss what is cell. Cell is a combination of row and column. What is cell? The definition of cell and table both are same. Cell means the combination of row and column. Then what is cell address? What is cell address, Kunal? What is cell address? Okay, cell address is a combination of column letter and row number. What is the definition of cell address? The combination of column letter, and row number is known as cell address. Then what is worksheet? The working area of Excel is known as worksheet. What is worksheet? The working area of Excel is known as worksheet. Okay. So what is the purpose of Excel? Excel is used for calculating. What is the purpose of Excel? Excel is used for your calculating purpose. Now we will discuss how to write a formula or how to calculate addition, how to calculate plus, minus, into, division in Excel. Suppose a table has given. These are the rows 1, 2, 3, 4, A, B, C, D, 10, 20, 30, 45, 50, 30, 20, 20, 10. Suppose the data has given, so how to calculate plus, minus into division? By using Excel. So how to calculate plus? Plus means your sum. Plus means your sum. So in Excel, each and every formula must be start with equal sign. In Excel, each and every formula must be start with equal sign. So when we will calculate plus, minus into division any formula, so first we will give the equal sign. First we will give the equal sign. So here 10 means your cell address A1. 10 means A1 because cell address is a combination of column letter and row number. So what is the value of 10? Value of 10 equals to A1. Yes or no? Then what is the value of 20? Value of 20 equals to B1. Equals to B1. So how you will write in the formula? First you will give the equal sign, then write down sum, then what is our cell address? A1 plus B1. Yes or no? A1 plus B1. So likewise in case of our subtraction, write down equal sign, sum A1 minus B1. A1 minus B1. Then likewise your multiplication, sum, equal sign sum, A1 into B1. A1 into B1. Then your division, equal sign, sum, A1 divided by B1. A1 divided by B1. Now clear? Clear? Okay. Our next formula is basic salary has given. Basic salary is 2000. Basic salary is 2000. Then how to calculate? How to calculate DA, TA, HRA and gross. GS means your gross. Basic salary has given how to calculate DA, TA, HRA and gross. So DA is 40% of basic. DA is 40% of your basic salary. Then TA is 30% of basic salary. HRA is 20% of basic salary. Then how to calculate DA, TA, HRA and gross? So DA equals to, so everything will be calculated through the basic salary. So how to calculate DA? DA equals to 40% of basic. It means 2000. It means 2000 into 40 by 100. Yes or no? Then how to calculate TA? TA equals to 2000 into 30 by 100. Then how to calculate HRA? HRA equals to 2000 into 20 by 100. Yes or no? Then how to calculate gross? Gross equals to basic salary plus DA plus TA plus HRA plus HRA. First we will calculate all the DA, TA, HRA, then we will calculate gross. So how to calculate gross? Gross means your basic salary plus DA plus TA plus HRA. $800, 30%, 600, then your 400. Then how to calculate gross? Basic plus DA plus TA plus HRA. Now we will put the formula and get the answer. Basic salary means your 2000 plus DA equals to 800 plus TA equals to 600 plus HRA equals to 400. Now clear? If the basic salary has given, how to calculate TA, DA, HRA and gross? DA equals to 40% of basic, TA equals to 30% of basic, HRA equals to 20% of basic. Now clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Good. Next is how to calculate maximum, minimum and average how to calculate maximum, minimum and average. Suppose table has given A, B, C, D, 1, 2, 3, 4. Then how to calculate maximum, minimum and average. So what are the formula? First you will give the equal sign, because in Excel each and every formula must be start with equal sign. First equal sign, then write down max, M-A-X. Maximum means your formula is max, and every formula must be write in your capital letter. Equal sign, max, then what is the value of 10? A1. What is the value of 10? A1 plus what is the value of second number? B1. Means what is the cell address? A1. Then what is the cell address of 40? B1. Then likewise what is how to calculate minimum? M-I-N. Then take the value of 20. 20 means what is the cell address of 20? A1. A1 into B1. A1 into B1. Then how to calculate average? Equal sign, A-V-E-R-A-G-E, average equals to A. Take the value of 10 and 20. A1 into B1 means 10 plus 40 divided by 2. We will take only the value of 10 and 40. 10 means your cell address is A1 and 40 means your cell address equals to B1. So what is the maximum? 10, 40. Maximum value is 40. If you will take to the minimum value 10 and 40, our minimum value is 10. And if you will calculate the average means your 10 plus 40 divided by 2 equals to 25. Average means 10 plus 40 divided by 2. Now clear? Why Microsoft Word is used and what is the extension name of Microsoft Word? Why Word is used? Satya. Why Word is used? Word is used? MS Word. Yes, it is used to create a document. Why Word is used? Word is used to make a document. To make a document. Then what is the extension name of word? The extension name of word is, the extension name of word is .doc. What is the extension name of word? The extension name of word is .doc. .doc. Then how to calculate bullets and numbering in the Microsoft Word? What are the steps to do bullets and numbering? Bullets. Number 1, type text. Number 1, type text. Number 2, select text. Number 3, click on which menu? Click on home menu. Click on bullets. Bullets and numbering. Then click on bullets. Click on any bullet style. Then click on OK. So your bullets means variety symbol. Your text will become with the bullet style. Then same way I to calculate numbering, type text, select text, click on home menu, click on bullets and numbering, click on number, then choose any number style, then OK. Then OK. Now clear? Good. Good job. जल्दी खोलो. ये मास्टर को धरी पके थे. Good. Very good. Yes, this is the DA, TA, HRA and gross. Yes, TA is 50%. Then write down everything into the formula bar. Very good. You also calculate TA, DA, HRA and gross. First write down. Here you will write the basic salary. Not DA but the basic salary. Write down basic salary. Yes. Basic salary means your BS. Then this means your DA. DA. The next TA. Okay. The next HRA. And it means your gross, GS. Yes, good Preeti. You have done everything. Very good. So do a chart. What is chart? Chart is a pictorial representation of Excel. So what are the types of chart? Number 1 is your column chart, pie chart, bar chart, cylinder chart, radar chart. These are the types of chart. These are the types of chart. So chart is a pictorial representation of Excel.